Square say More Zimbabwe, welcome to our channel Zoom Confessions and Deep Secrets. Kana katika kutanka kukuya panino channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Kana uchingwa karoga subscribe, don't forget to comment and share this video. Nasi More Zimbabwe takuigirai nyaya inorwadza nyaya inosiririsa yaburitswa one of Zimbabweans we are diaspora in a video riri kutrenda mastreets social media achema the situation iri muno muZimbabwe akataura ivo ari kuti achiti vana veZimbabwe vatambura achiti the situation back home is now critical and iri kurwadza asvika pakubuda musodzi akachema muri Zimbabwe in an audio yatoda kuvigirai yanyaya inorwadza maZimbabweans ari kunzi atambura nyika yeZimbabwe zviri kunzi vashoma ndo vari kudya while Zimbabwe ichitambura kutaura pachinzi even magetsi akusisina achema mudzimai uyu toda kuti mugonzwa zvaataura mamadzo zvamuri kufunga pamusoro penyaya iyi mucomment section.
Thank you so much for the time and the space Murku creator. First and foremost, can you hear me though?
You are loud and clear.
Brilliant. Right. First and foremost, I agree with almost everyone. The situation in our country is dire and it's so disheartening. For most of us, Takakura in the 80s, and you compare it to now, it's shocking in the Zimbabwe. When we are dealing with the situation back home, we need to fight as one people, because at the end of the day, we want everyone kuti amuke maksen achienda kunotenga chingwa pa shop. Anoregera kutenga chingwa because they don't want to, not because they can't. We want a situation yekuti January unoyu unongochiza kuti kwa NB ndikasaenda musi wakati handikwanisa kunotenga uniform, but I don't think that NB still exists. People are hopeless. People are scared. People are angry. Oh God. The situation in Zim is really, really bad. It's really bad. So to know that vachitaura zvanoda because ane $10 muhomwe mangwana achapiwemo $10 to destroy someone. We shouldn't do that. We are human beings first and foremost, and we need to remember that Zimbabwe is the only country we have that is our country. We may live in the UK, we may live in Australia, in Canada, anywhere in the world, even in Japan, anywhere we live, but at the end of the day, our home is Zimbabwe. So please, everybody, please. It doesn't matter. Whether or not Mnangagwa is president or what. Let's fight for what is right, first and foremost. No. Anybody should be able to say what they are feeling because that is what they are feeling. And when I tell you I am not well, it means I am not well. Who are you to tell someone you can't do this, you can't say that because you don't believe in what I believe in? That is wrong. That is wrong. It's very wrong. Please, as Zimbabweans, we need to stand together. Vazhinji tiri out of the country. Mukatasa munyika dzatinogara. People fight in those countries. But at the end of the day, when push comes to shove, they stick together. Because they are fighting for their countries. As Zimbabweans, we are failing dismally. We are failing. Takafanana na baba vanouya achirwa vana neachirwa mukadzi because Dynamos yajigiwa kana Cape United kana Highlanders yajigiwa. What kind of nonsense is this? Where are we going as a people? What we are doing is we are creating potholes for foreigners to come and take over our country right before our eyes. And we are not even realizing what we are doing. We need to understand. You're not fighting for ZANU-PF, you're not fighting for Triple C, you're not fighting for this one. Fight for Zimbabwe, because at the end of the day, foreigners are coming and they're taking over our country. We are going to be foreigners in Zimbabwe. We don't realize that. So please, whoever you are, against, fight. Could Zimbabwe eat a road? Fight. Could Zimbabwe even the bread basket that it used to be? You don't even realize. Could Zimbabwe, as small a country as we are blessed. But we have opened the doors and the devil, our headquarters in our country. It's shameful. It needs to stop. It needs to stop. Let's not fight. Let's not fight. It's a comparison. It's not a crime. People should be able to say what they want. But every holiday anaenda kuna mainini kana kuna stepfather. Ask yourself, what have I done wrong? Why is mwanangu anaenda unojika ku next door? What have I done wrong? But if you can't look yourself in the mirror every day and ask yourself, what have I done good today? Kuna muda ne 75 years, amai vari muda 4th Street, vari kutengesa matombo, Dora the whole day. What kind of a country are we? What is going on? What is going on? People, I need to ask you, please. This is so bad. This is bad. We have to do something. We need to do something. And to all those who are defending what is wrong, you need to know that the only people you are hurting is not just the masses who don't believe in what you believe in. You're hurting yourself as well. I think somebody here says at the end of the day, when we go to buy bread, hakuna chakanzi ichi chine masupporters aningi, ichi ndeche masupporters aningi. Hakuna zvakadaro. Kana magetsi achienda aende pamba paningi, achiregera kuenda pamba paningi, munhu wese haana zesa, end of. The whole country. The other day I was thinking, hakuna magetsi, hakuna sewage inoshanda ndidi, hakuna all those things that are basic, hakuna. But have you ever stopped and asked yourself why? Vanhu vezimbabwe vasiri kufa nemalaria, vasiri kufa netyphoid, vasiri kufa nezvirwere zvinokonzerwa all these toxic, because we are a chosen, a God chosen country, and we don't even realize it. You don't even realize it. I only realized how special our country is when I left my country. That's when I realized. And it's bad. It's bad. Please, just to end it all, the definition of insanity is doing the same thing but expecting a different result. Kana uchisa 2 liters mpoto yemvura, wesa 4 cups dzehupu, uchisadza wabika richikwana vanhu 4, and you do that every day. Usafunga kuti mumwe musi pakauya vamwe vaenzi 6, poto iyoyo ine 2 liters ine 4 cups dzehupu ichazoita bamhene mune jiki dzichaitika kuti pane vamwe vanhu vauya. No, you have to change the pot. Change from 2 liters to 4 liters or to 6 liters. For things to change, We have to change. The system has to change. But we need to realize those who are doing wrong, they know they are doing wrong. The only difference is they don't give a damn. They don't care. They really don't care. They don't care. Ukaona uri baba kana mai vanoti vakatambira